We chose to support this particular school with Starlink because it is part of a longer term project that we have in partnership with the Ministry of ICT and Innovation and the Ministry of Education in Rwanda, where they've got a strategic vision for the country to connect youth in a digitally inclusive way to technology so that they can access opportunities, they can communicate, and more importantly, they can participate in the digital economy. So we want to start super early with these young people so that they can learn and start innovating sooner.
This partnership seems beyond bridging digital access, but also a dedication to community development that is shaping the future education we want.
I believe that the way Shasha is doing, we will be able to lead these students in a career guide that will help them explore those future technologies that are out there.
I think what really changed after we received the Starlink internet was that we now get to interact with more online courses like the Kahoot quizzes, e-learning web resources, and other online educational platforms.
Every community that we've been able to connect to the internet has come back to us. They're happy with what's happening. There is clear joy. And for us, that joy also translates to motivating us to do more because they're able to learn, they're able to communicate, and they feel that the world is not leaving them behind.